Welcome to EdisonFPV YouTube channel or page, wherever you're watching this video. Today we're gonna make an honest review for the Caddx Peanut. An honest review. I am in no, this is not from Caddx. I had to pay for it. Alright, stay tuned. We're just gonna do a general review of the Caddx Peanut's quality, which is already self-explanatory. It's good, but yeah, we're just gonna go for a brief regarding Caddx, the general feedback for the Caddx Peanut, and then maybe next for that we're gonna do a the pros, which is again it's obvious, and then the honest part of the review, wherein is it really that good in sense of everything from quality, video quality, to the setup. Okay, so just gonna give you a summary. There is not all setup are as smooth as it is, but I will discuss that one later. And then at the last part of the video, for the custom builders, what opinions that I can give in hopes to which part that I found slightly disappointing, but it's again, generally speaking, it is still good. It's a HD stable video, everything's in it, right? So it's good. So okay, so general feedback. Okay, it's good. The video quality, HD, the stabilization, it delivers what it says. The app, the two app, the phone app, the mobile app, or the Studio 360 app, video on the desktop, all stable. I'll be showing a few. You guys can YouTube this on yourself. It delivers. It's not 4K. It's not 4K quality, but the quality is still very good. So okay, common question: should I get the Peanut? Should I get the Insta360 Go 2, or should I go GoPro or GoPro dedicated version? Okay, so if you're gonna go for if you're after the 4K quality, then you have to go GoPro. Then if you're a light builder, this is not a GoPro. This is not a GoPro. This is only the case cam. If you want the 4K quality, durable on crash, you have to go for the full setup GoPros. But if you're on the light build side, like what I do, you will want to go as light as you can. So the case GoPro, if 4K is your primary goal. Now if your goal is just to have an HD version that is vlog friendly, YouTube friendly, for the mobile app, as for the mobile video streaming, Facebook, then Insta360 or Caddx Peanut are good. This is a case generic cam that has a 1080p. This is actually I'm already very much satisfied with this quality. Again, I'm just gonna do a quick comparison with the quality. I'm already satisfied with this quality. You guys can see some of my videos with this one. The only reason or problem I have with this one is that I'm having difficulty with the stabilization. There are other methods, free methods. A shout out to theyre, and to I'm just new to the group, but to whoever made it an open source, I salute you. All open source contributors, I salute them. So yeah, it is possible, but again, you will have to study that learning curve. It's quite, they had made it, many are using it now. Anyways, focusing on the Caddx Peanut. So why would you want this one? Okay, so this is 25, right? The GoPro is also somewhere 25, 27. Caddx Peanut is already at 25. This is 27, right? So again, it's good. Generally speaking, it's good. Let's find what is there. Watch the video. See how stable it is. It's good. Self-explanatory. Now, okay. So now here's the honest part of the review. What are the cons or the problems that you might encounter with this one? Okay, so this is not the product's error, but I guess information wise, because I had difficulty installing the app on my phone, Asus phone to be more specific. But the camera I'm using now, Samsung 830, I think, I was successful. I'll be sending a photo here that I asked help also, because at first I was like, whoa, was my Wi-Fi on my Peanut broken or something? Then I learned that not all Android phones, or not all smartphones have the same Wi-Fi technology. Some of them has a smart Wi-Fi recognition, where if you have a dedicated Wi-Fi or a stronger Wi-Fi that are within an area, again, I'll be showing you guys a photo there, that it will no longer show the Wi-Fi that is a little bit weak. Where in this case, this is a small thing. Unlike that, if you're in your house and then you have, you know, like your own, you know, setup, sometimes the Peanut will not show. So if you have the Peanut now and you're having difficulty seeing the Wi-Fi, you need to check the smart network, advanced smart network advanced, something like that. Each phone has their own name on it. The idea is you have to deactivate it so that it will show the entire list of available Wi-Fi connections. Now the problem I have with my phone is, I think even though when I deactivated mine, the Asus, I don't know, there's something different about it. But there, on the groups, there are some who has Asus phone who were able to connect. So again, just in case you did encounter this one, just so you know, it is not the Caddx Peanut's issue. It's on the Wi-Fi compatibility issue with the phone you're using. So at first I didn't know this, but when I learned that, you know, this happens, I just changed phone, and yeah, it worked on the other phone. Now, just in case if you're not okay, your phone doesn't work, there is an app for desktop, Insta360 Studio, so you can just download that for free. So that's it. What else? That's regarding the setup. You can watch many videos because they will say that it's just a one-click thing. That's true if everything's compatible. So another honest feedback I have for the Caddx Peanut. Okay, yes. Okay, so here we go. It is true. It is 27. Okay, so they say that the reason why you would want a Caddx Peanut compared to an Insta-Go is this is made for, you know, this is made by Insta360. Now Caddx FPV, you know, I think collaborated with them or partnered, I'm not sure about the terminology, but so they made this one so that you will have an external power supply. Yeah. Alright, now with that said, I have no idea why they placed a magnet, but again, because now they want, I think, for the comfort. Now if you're on the big builds, like, you know, 10, 7, 5, I think even 4-inch, 4S, 6S, then actually if your setup is carrying a full GoPro, then you have no issue. But for again, this is for my feedback, my opinion only, for light build builders who, you know, we go lightweight, right? We decay stuff. There's even a friend of mine who decays his Insta-Go. When you add this one, it's 32, right? So I have no idea why they added a magnet. Sorry, I know the idea, but I mean, for maybe it was not intended for a light build. But yeah, maybe a clip-on might be nice. Actually, me personally would not mind if there's a USB port here, right? Again, that's just me. Or maybe because they use the entire Insta360 Go hardware and just modded something, maybe. Anyway, so that's the some of my negative feedback. Aside from that is, okay, again, the negative feedback I said is for self-preference. The setup I mentioned is again, is on the Android phone side. My goal here is to give information so that you will you will not be surprised when you get your Peanut and have difficulty setting it up. Yeah, so that's the end part of the cons or the setbacks regarding the Caddx Peanut. But on the, again, general feedback of it, video quality, good. That's it. It's a 10/10 actually for me, but if you're gonna consider it a 4K consideration, and maybe there could be more, fine, let's go with 9.5/10, right? Weight, again, general FPV speaking, it's still a 10. 25 is 25. You can decase this if you want. My friend went to 17G, I think, or was it 16G? And then again, if you're a lightweight builder, yeah. So but again, generally speaking, if you guys can see the video, it's nice. Well, me personally, I do recommend it. Durability, if you guys can watch the video, not sure if it will be included. I had some small crashes on cement, not high altitude flight, but more of like 1 meter drop when I was flying through the car window, and I hit the top side and I fell down. Caddx works. So far, I do not actually see any dents. You might see some few spots there, but no dents. Yeah. So again, it's because I'm a lightweight builder. That's why I have this slight grudge on the weight issue. I was really kind of hoping it to be far less, but yeah. Oh, okay. Another one. I'll just cut this out. Okay. When you're on the Wi-Fi mode, right? This thing heats up. Not in a unusable sense, but okay, it heats up, so you need to let it cool down. But if you're using it, again, it's designed for FPV. If you're using this for FPV, then you will have wind, so you're okay. But if you're transferring files via Wi-Fi, it will heat up. So I actually had to make a cooling fan beneath this one. So yeah, that's it. That's what I want to say. But if you're using a USB transfer, you're okay. The file transfer is faster, and since the Wi-Fi is not working, it will not heat up. Yeah, that's one more con. But actually, again, there's just a note. It's still good because eventually you can just like take the video, put it on your laptop, or take a video if you have a fan while transferring files so that you can fly again in case you have no laptop. Again, it's still usable. Again, for what it is, it's good. Right, so Manny has already done this, but if you're still watching the video up to this far, I guess I'll just show what are the other stuff notes. Everything is actually quite fast. Their instruction manual is very friendly. Heads up on this buck converter or voltage regulator, because to my feedback, some people, my camera is currently on wide angle view, but on my buck converter I have a 2S to 6S input, so this can handle up to 6S. Just a heads up, I have read some users or some who bought them who only got it up to 4S. So just a heads up on that one. Check your converter first in case you want to go direct to battery. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Nothing more that I would want for you to know. Anyway, so yeah, bottom line, Caddx Peanut, it's good. You can buy it, use it. It's still friendly. The stuff I mentioned are just for pointers. Yeah, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, with full honesty, like, share, subscribe. Yeah.